Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing PS5 game purchases not appearing. Place the PS5 on a stable surface and make sure the PS5 is fully powered on. On the PS5 home screen, open Settings to start the PS5 fix. Scroll down on the PS5 to Users and Accounts. On the PS5, select Others to continue. Choose Restore Licenses on the PS5. Press Restore and let the PS5 complete the process. After restoring, reboot the PS5 to refresh everything. Wait for the PS5 to restart fully. Open the PS5 game where the in-game purchases are missing. Check if the PS5 now recognizes the purchase. If not, return to the PS5 home screen again. Open the PS5 PlayStation Store. Go to the PS5's three-dot menu on the top right. Select Download List on the PS5. Look for the missing item in the PS5 download history. If you see it, re-download it to the PS5. If it doesn't appear, go back to the PS5 home screen. Open Settings again on the PS5. Scroll to Family and Parental Controls on the PS5. Make sure the PS5 account has permission to make purchases. If restrictions exist, adjust them on the PS5. After that, return to the PS5 main menu. Open Settings once more on the PS5. Go to Network on the PS5 settings list. Select Test Internet Connection on the PS5. Confirm the PS5 has a stable connection. If the connection is weak, unplug the PS5 Ethernet cable. Reconnect the Ethernet cable firmly to the PS5 port. If using Wi-Fi, restart the router then reconnect the PS5. Once connected, return to the PS5 game. Try refreshing game content inside the PS5 game settings. If items still don't appear, close the PS5 game completely. Reopen the PS5 game to force a new sync. If needed, open the PS5 game's Manage Game Content. Check if downloadable content is installed on the PS5. If not, reinstall missing content on the PS5. Next, return to Settings on the PS5. Open Save Data and Games/App Settings on the PS5. Choose Save Data for the affected PS5 game. Select Delete Cache Data for the PS5 game. This forces the PS5 to reload fresh game data. Restart the PS5 again after clearing cache. Wait for the PS5 to boot fully. Launch the PS5 game again to check purchases. If the issue continues, sign out of the PS5 account. Sign back into the same PS5 account to resync. Let the PS5 update game licenses again automatically. Check inside the PS5 game one last time for your purchases. If everything appears, your PS5 game purchase issue is now fixed.